tell you a story. My name's Three Nickels, by the way. Not 2, 3. I'm so bad. I'm so bad. I can strip a piece of corn with my mouth. Most people can't do that. I'm so bad that this song may make you jump off of a fucking bridge. I'm so bad. It's sad to listen to me, cause I might make your eardrums explode. I fucking make people drive off short piers and long roads. I had another piece of bacon, but I ate it before I gave it to my mom. It's not funny, cause I'm so bad. It's sad. I have no dad. Why do I rap this way? Can't I change the way I do it? Okay, when I think about my brain working better, it's gonna be no game. I won't be bad. Ready, set, go. I'm in Mach 1, I'm speeding up the rail. I'm in Mach 2, I'm playing with the fucking whale's tail. I'm a Mach 3 and I'm fucking tweaking the top of my mouse. It's fucking throwing, I threw it up on top of the house. The song don't even sound as bad as it used to do. But now I don't know why I'm sniffing all this glue. It's making me funny in the head. I'll fucking the gorilla, I will de-wed. That's pretty bad. It's sad. What are you laughing at, son? What? I told you I can make a song. It's not so bad. It's sad. Dad, you have no talent.
That is bad.